Good morning students. So today we will do exercise E, that is answer the following question in detail of chapter 4 soil. So the questions are given at page number 29 in your book, and if you are not having the book, I have sent you the PDF in which the questions are given of exercise E. So you can see the question from there. So let's start. So question 1 is, how is soil formed? So in this question you have to write the answer, that how is soil formed, the process of forming the soil. So as we have discussed, the soil is formed by breaking down of rocks into smaller pieces by the action of sun's heat, rainwater and strong wind, and then these pieces are carried to far away places, and by rubbing against each other over a million of years, these form the fine particles of soil. So let's see the answer of this question. The process of breaking hard rocks into smaller pieces and being carried away by wind and water for over millions of years ago is called weathering of rocks, and thus result in formation of soil. So weathering of rocks, it means the effect of sun's heat, rainwater and strong wind on the rocks is known as weathering of rocks, and thus result in formation of soil. So next question 2 is, with the help of an activity show that soil contains water. So student, in this you have to write an activity in that shows that soil contains water or the moisture. So as we have discussed that this activity should be done in presence of an adult one only, of your parents, in presence of your parent or a presence of your teacher. So what we have to do in this, we have take a container in which soil is poured and cover that container with the lid. We heat that for a few minutes, and after some time when we open the lid, we see tiny drops of water on the inner side of the lid, because the water or the moisture that is present in the soil on heating converts to the water vapor, and on touching the lid or the lid of the container, it cools down and result in formation of water droplets. So this shows that soil contains water. So let's see the answer of this question. Take some soil in container and cover it with lid. हमने एक soil ली container में और उसको हमने lid से cover कर दिया. Next, heat the container that contains soil for 5 to 10 minutes. For few minutes we have to heat it. On opening the lid, we can see tiny drops of water on inner side of the lid. If we open the lid, we see tiny drops of water on the inner side of the lid. Next, fourth one is, as soil heated, water present in it changes to water vapor. जब हम सॉइल को हीट कर रहे हैं, उसके अंदर जो वाटर प्रेजेंट है वो वाटर वेपर में चेंज हो रहा है, एंड ऑन टचिंग द लिड चेंजेस टू वाटर अगेन, और दोबारा से जब उसको लिड को टच कर रहा है वाटर वेपर, इट अगेन चेंजेस टू वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स. Next, last is, this shows that soil contains water. So this activity shows that water or the moisture is present into the soil. Next question 3rd is, differentiate between sandy and clayey soil. So student, in this question you have to write the difference between sandy soil and the clayey soil. So as we have discussed while we have read the chapter, that sandy soil is made up of sand. In this, large air space is present. It is found in the desert or near the seashore. Coconut, date palm or the desert plant grow well in this sandy soil, and the sandy soil is used for the construction of building when it is combined with the cement. Next is this clay soil. Clay soil shows the particles of this are very fine. बहुत छोटे छोटे fine particles होते हैं, smallest particle होते हैं. इसकी जो soil होती है जिसमें air space जो होता है बिल्कुल भी present नहीं होता है, but this soil is जो soil होती है clay soil, its water holding capacity is very high and it is found near the ponds and the rivers, and this soil is used to grow the cereal crops like wheat and rice. So let's see the answer of this question. The differences are, first one is sandy soil, it made up of sand. Second is found near seashore or in desert. Third is lot of air space between the particles of sandy soil. Second is the clay soil. This soil has smallest particle. जो particle size होता है वो बहुत छोटा होता है इसमें. It is found near river and ponds. And the third one is, no air is present between the particles of the sandy soil. So student, next question 4 is, describe loamy soil. So student, in this you have to write about the loamy soil, and we know that loamy soil is a mixture of sandy and clayey soil, And the humus content, humus is the dead remains of plants and animals. It is present in large quantity in the loamy soil, so the water holding capacity of this loamy soil is very good, and it is the most fertile soil of all the three types, and it can also hold air and water. This soil is also used to grow the fruits and vegetables. So let's see the answer of this question. Loamy soil is a mixture of sandy and clayey soil, first point. Second, it has lot of humus, remains of plants and animals. It means it is the most fertile soil. Next is can hold water and air. It can hold the water and air. Third is it is best for growing fruits and vegetables. Fruits और vegetables को grow करवाने के लिए this loamy soil is the best soil. Next question, fifth is give any three uses of soil. So student, in this question you have to write the three uses of soil. So as we have discussed that it is used to grow the plant, and plants are the source of food for all the animals, either directly or indirectly. Next, it is the home for many animals like ants हैं, snails हैं, earthworms हैं. Next, it is used to make the diyas, pots, bricks and kacha houses which are found in the villages in the earlier time. And the last use of soil, that it contains a large number of minerals like डायमंड है, ग्रेनाइट है, ये सब क्या है, ये सॉइल के अंदर पाए जाते हैं. वेरेज अगर हम डायमंड की बात करें, इट इज़ यूज टू मेक द ऑर्नामेंट्स एंड द ज्वेलरीज. वेरेज सीमेंट और उसकी अगर हम ग्रेनाइट और मार्बल की बात कर रहे हैं, तो इट इज़ यूज फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शन पर्पसेस टू मेक द हाउस एंड द बिल्डिंग. सो लेट्स सी द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. थ्री यूजेस ऑफ सॉइल आर, फर्स्ट वन, इट इज़ यूज टू ग्रो प्लांट्स. प्लांट्स को ग्रो करने के लिए यूज़ करती है, और जो प्लांट्स जो होते हैं उनकी जो रूट्स होती है वो सॉइल पार्टिकल्स को बाइंड करके रखती है. सो इट ऑल्सो प्रिवेंट्स द सॉइल इरोजन एंड प्रोवाइड फूड टू ऑल द एनिमल्स प्रेजेंट इन दिस वर्ल्ड ऑन द अर्थ. नेक्स्ट, इट इज़ होम टू मैनी एनिमल्स. बहुत सारे जो एनिमल्स हैं, एंड्स है, स्नेल्स हैं, अर्थवॉर्म्स हैं, उनके लिए क्या है, सॉइल जो वो है होम की तरह वर्क करती है. द लास्ट इज़ द थर्ड वन इज़ इट इज़ यूज टू मेक पॉट्स, दियाज, ब्रिक्स एंड कच्चा हाउसेज बनाने के लिए भी सॉइल जो है वो यूज़फुल होती है, यूज़ की जाती है. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस ऑल इज़ अबाउट योर एक्सरसाइज ई, द लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.